Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a smurf cat bundle on Roblox. So guys, I am you must be aware of the smurf cat memes on internet, and now you can get this bundle on Roblox as well. What you need to do, you have to open roblox.com or you can open the app. Now you have to go to in marketplace, and now you have to search for this keyword smurf and key cat cat. After that you have to enter. Now you will see this bundle here. So you can see right now it is for the 100 robux, but it was earlier free. So let me show you the screenshot of that. So earlier it was free, and you can see the screenshot, and it was free earlier when it was launched, but right now it is for the 100 robux. So if you want to get it guys, you can spend 100 robux here and click on buy button and click on buy and click on buy robux or an item, and just purchase this item as soon as possible, because due to popularity of this bundle it may set its price more than 100. So just get this item as soon as possible. So let me try this out how it looks. As you can see, it looks amazing on so yeah, that's how you can get this bundle. Hope you like it, and if you still have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, and see in the next video. Till then, bye bye.